Buy this if you have mostly hard floors and want minimal hands-on maintenance, especially dirty mop pads and emptying dustbins. You dislike cleaning, want smart features, mop washing, drying, self-empty, and you have space for the large dock. You have moderate carpets, not ultra-thick plush, and can accept occasional multiple passes. Skip this if most of your home is covered in thick carpet or rugs and you need deep cleaning of fibers and pet hair. Your floors are cluttered with cables, toys, obstacles all the time because the obstacle avoidance isn't perfect. You have little space for the dock or sensitivity to noise or power usage or want lower maintenance, lower cost over time. In my experience, its self-maintenance features make a real difference. It isn't perfect, but for many homes it strikes a very strong balance. If you weigh its trade-offs and they align with your real home conditions, it's one of the better robot vacuums you can buy.